from work and I ordered small chops because I've been craving for a while, so I ordered small chops and it's here. So that's good. That's basically going to be dinner for me. Yeah. So this has snail, it has chicken, it has samosa, spring rolls, puffs. This platter goes for 3,000 naira, and it was from this person here in Owerri. It's really nice and affordable if you ask me. It's really nice. So I'm not going to hurry. Oh, it's another day. So this is Tuesday and I was getting ready for work, but there's something I usually do most times when I have time that helps me prosper against every principality and power in my workplace. I just try to set my mood right so that whatever happens at work doesn't affect me. Here it is. Bye guys. So here we had to go to another law office to do something. It was part of the verification process for something, and we had to come here because the lady who was supposed to be at the bar center was at her law firm, so we came here. This was a different law firm altogether, and I was just looking around. Up is a Saturday, and trust me, I believe our bodies know that we don't have to work on Saturdays, because the way I slept, if I had to go to court this morning, trust me, I'll have been so late. Like, I literally just woke up and it's past 8 o'clock. I'll be 9 o'clock now, and today, Saturday, I have just a few things to do, mostly running errands. Yeah, I have a photography class, not like photography class, drone classes. I'm getting a drone for my channel, usually especially for my channel and for my business. I provide like aerial shots for most projects, for people, most management projects, or properties that I handle, I try to give them like the aerial view if they request for it. So before now, I used to like rent the drones from a photographer, but now I'm getting my own drone. So I'm just going to go to my photographer to like put me through on just certain things. And I also, if you don't know already, for most people already know already, I got my M50 in June. So I got it first week of June, but I haven't been able to use it because I've been lazy to like learn the settings or do anything with it. So I'll be going there today with it so that he could help me set it up. I'm also going to get the SD card so that I'm able to start using it, because my phone most often than not doesn't have space again, and so I just want to try and start using the camera. And everything is inside here, so the lens and everything. So I just want to be able to like start putting out good content. And if you know, from my description box, I offer some services that relate to real estate. So I feel like this will be able to put I feel like this plus the drone will be able to make the quality of my videos or my content better. So yeah, if you want me to give you like an aerial view of your project, if it's here in Owerri, yeah, just for a few coins, I could be able to do that for you. And yeah, so those are the little things I do on the aside. For the properties, I could send you the aerial shots so you see everything that's happening. And yeah, so I'm just going to go today to, so today's like photography classes for me, to get to learn how to use for him to set my camera and teach me the drone. I should get the drone today too, or tomorrow, or next week, depending. So yeah, that's it. Then on Sunday, I have YouTube classes, paid classes for some people. It's a one-on-one session. I also offer that services. So I had my last class I had with a student was early this year too, but thankfully I have two students actually this weekend. So I'm going to teach them YouTube. And yeah, it's not free, guys, it's paid classes, but I just don't put it out there because I just don't feel like it's a master class kind of thing that I'll start putting out for everybody. I never blow. So but basically that's what it is. And so that's my week in a wrap, basically. That's basically my week in. Okay, I didn't show Friday because it rained so much on Thursday that there was so much traffic. Ubers were not answering and everything. So that rain did not beat me, but I was tired and I woke up late. So I hurriedly just left home for court. So I didn't even have any time to do any of those shenanigans. So yeah, but this is actually my week in a nutshell. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'm actually going to put out this vlog on Sunday, so by the time you see it, it's already out. So basically that's it. All right, I'll see you guys. Remember to subscribe, share, like. I try to upload on Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. Most definitely you see at least 2 to 3 videos during the weekends from me, and during the week, most often than not, you might not see, but if you get to see, it's usually on Tuesdays or on Wednesdays. So I thought to let you guys know. So with my schedule, I try to put out at least 3 videos a week as often as I can. Yeah, so till I come your way next time, do well to subscribe, share, like, and leave me a comment. You guys, commenting is enough, even if it's just say hi Jane. So till I come your way next time, do well to subscribe, share, like, and leave me a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you.